In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money with Make.com as a beginner in 2025. It's an exciting journey, and I'm thrilled to guide you through the process. Make.com is a brilliant platform that allows you to connect apps and design workflows seamlessly. So, let's jump right in and explore how you can utilize it to start earning. To begin, head over to Make.com, where you'll find a vast array of tools designed to simplify your workflow automation. Once you're there, click on the Sign In button. If you haven't signed up yet, go ahead and create an account. The sign-in is straightforward and only takes a moment. Logging in will bring you to the Make homepage, which is your central hub for building and managing workflows. Now, at the Make home, you will want to explore the Templates section. Here you can access numerous pre-made templates that cater to a variety of needs and industries. These templates are designed to streamline processes, saving you time and effort by not having to start from scratch. Choose a template that matches the type of workflow you're interested in creating, or one that's aligned with services you plan to offer. Once you've selected a template, it's time to connect your apps. Make.com excels at integrating with a multitude of popular applications. Whether you're connecting social media apps, project management tools, or customer relationship management (CRM) systems. Integrating them into a single workflow can significantly enhance productivity and efficiency. By linking these apps, you can automate routine tasks, ensuring they run smoothly with minimal manual intervention. These templates and connections not only facilitate task management, but also open new avenues for monetization. You can offer services such as automating marketing efforts, organizing data transfers, or simplifying communication channels. With Make.com, you can target businesses looking to enhance their digital operations. Offering tailored automation services can become a lucrative opportunity, perfect for generating additional income. To maximize your earning potential, spend some time experimenting with different workflows and templates. Get familiar with the platform's features so you can confidently offer comprehensive automation solutions. As you refine your skills, you'll be better equipped to offer specialized services that command higher rates. Keep exploring, adapting, and growing as you become more proficient with Make.com. This way, you ensure that you not only harness the power of automation, but also convert that power into income. Now go ahead, take these steps, and start your journey to making money with Make.com. Remember, the key is to learn, design, and connect. Stay motivated, and you'll soon see the rewards of your efforts. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful tutorials.